What a perfect day to be cleaning out a pond, huh? What do you think, Matt? Is this ideal conditions?
Yep. Looks good to me.
All right, this is one of our ponds we built a few years ago, and this thing has turned out amazing. They did a bunch of native landscaping all around it, and there's a couple big koi that are down in the bottom of this thing. And this pond is filtered by another wetland right here. So we don't have the biofilter, we have a wetland, and it keeps this pond pretty crystal clear. But it is ready for a clean out. That was a mess. But perfect day. Good day to be a duck. While they're getting everything drained down, let me go back here and take a look at another project we've put together for this client. And it's a little mini pond, like a wildlife bog. Cool, look at this thing. No liner, just we packed the clay down inside of it. And this is fed off a spring that is up here. Inside there, water bubbles up inside. And we have pipes that run underground and go into the pond right here. About 3.5, 4 feet deep right there in the corner. And this is strictly just for wildlife. He has a lot of deer that show up. The whole idea really was just for amphibians. There's native plants that grow around it as well. It's a really cool feature. Pretty cool pond, huh? I like it. So that's it for this week's video, and appreciate everybody watching. If y'all like this content, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the little notification bell. So thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a good, safe weekend.